Thus, A received 1/5 part of the total profit and remaining profit is received by B and C equally. A's income is increasing by rupees 450 when the profit has risen from 4% to 9%. Find the capital invested by. Here A received 5/8 of the total profit. So the total profit is 8 units. If you assume total profit, so 5 goes to A, then remaining 3 are equally shared by B and C. So okay, we are sharing equally, like B and C is got equal share of the remaining 3 parts. Okay, so 1 by 1.5 and 1.5, so 1.5 and 1.5 equal to 3, that is the remaining, which is after 5 has been when after A received 5 parts. Now time is 1 unit. Okay, time is 12 months. Okay, time is 12 months. 12 months for A, B and C. So A has invested his amount for 12 months, B has invested his amount for 12 months and C has also invested his amount for. So the ratio is how much? 1:2. Now we know profit is equal to capital into time. Now capital is also equal to, capital is equal to profit by time. So capital ratio, now we are finding out the capital ratio because they are asking capital invested by B. So capital ratio is how much? 5, 1.5. Fine. So now we got the ratios of capital, time and profit. And what he is saying is, when the profit has risen from 4% to 9%, when the profit has risen from 4% to 9%, the A's income has increased by 450. So A's profit has increased by. So the profit percentage has risen to 4% to 9%. The A's profit has increased by 450 rupees. So profit percentage is always calculated on capital. Profit percentage is always capital. Profit percentage is always calculated on capital. So 4/100 into 8, capital is also 8 units. Okay, capital is also 8 units, got 0.332. Now 8.72 units, so the difference is 0.40 units. So this difference, okay, so this difference in the profit, so difference is also got share by how much? Okay, so here we can write 5/8 into this difference is nothing but 450 rupees. Okay, his share is 5 out of 8, so 5/8 into this total difference of profit is equal to 450 rupees. So how much we will get? 0.25 units is nothing but 450 rupees. So 1 unit is equal to how much? 25. 4. Okay, now how much we are getting? 1800 rupees. So 1 unit represents rupees. Now what is the capital invested by B? So what is the capital invested by B? capital invested by B is 1.5 units. So 1.5 into 1800. So we are getting, okay, so we are getting 2700, right? So 2700 is a capital invested by B. So here what we have done is from step by step. First we have found out this 1.5 and 1.5. Why? Because when out of 8 units, 5 is A's profit, so remaining profit is B and C's. Will take 3 parts. But here he has said B and C receives the profit equally. So what happens? 1.5 and now we know the time 12 months. So we have found the ratio 1:1. Now the capital is, capital is nothing but profit by time. So the capital ratio also we have found out. Now here what he has said is when the total profit has risen from 4% to 9%, the A's profit has increased by 450 rupees. So total profit, if we assume that total profit is 8 units, okay, fine, sorry, total profit is 8, sorry, total capital is 8 units, total capital is 8 units, the profit is calculated on capital. So the 4%, 4 by 100 into 8, that is capital. 8 is 3.32, 9 by 100 into 8 equal to 0.72. The difference is, so the difference of profit is 0.40. So this 0.40 units. So now out of this total profit, here is the difference of the total profit. 0.40 is the difference of the total profit. So here also the profit of A is 5 units in this total ratio. So 5 by 8 into the difference of total profit, nothing but 450 rupees. Okay, for example, if the profit of A to B is to C is 1:1, then how will calculate? 1 by 3 into the profit, total profit, right? So here also 5 by 8 into the difference of total profit is nothing but the differential increase. Okay, so 5 by 8 into the difference of total profit is nothing but the differential increase of A's profit. So here we got 1 unit is equal to 1800. Now the capital invested by B is 1.5 units. So we got 1.5 into 1800 is 2700. This is the answer.